Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the lunchtime market update for Wednesday, September the 23rd, 2020. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Let's check and see where the market here today. So kind of a big day here with a lot of Fed speakers. So the monthly chart is going to turn into that bearish engulfing month again. Weekly chart turning into a doji, kind of testing that prior gap level, and of course we're over the Cloud Canyon here. Daily chart, Rutro, what did we say yesterday? Watch out for this potential bull trap with the low volume SPY day, right? And it's starting to work its way back down today. So we're starting to see some nice moves. We've caught some nice shorts today. Apple, SPY, others with Tesla, some other good moves on that one. So again, low volume updated yesterday. So we're seeing some downside movement on that one, as it looks like this symmetrical move may potentially be working its way down to the daily cloud. Let's take a look at the S&P futures and see how they're behaving here this afternoon and today. So this is what got us in short a couple times, right? So we broke down through that morning, that two-day channel right here this morning. That gave us a nice move. We chopped for a while again, then we got short again here on a retest of these levels to get us down to our next signal zone below. So that was a nice move here this morning. MES. Again, retesting a couple of these geometric lines right here. We're below it. So these Fed talkers are not really talking the talk here, but we'll see if they can try to rally it here and get back above that geometric line on the MES. Let's take a look at the Qs. So the Qs have been weighing really heavy this morning. So this is one of the clues that got us an Apple short this morning. Nice retrace right here for a downside move. Another retrace, really choppy, but then it worked its way back down pretty nicely off of that. IWM. Well, not really doing that well here this morning, right? So a big push down here. Nice retrace off of this one and another move down there. Let's take a look at Apple. So why do we like Apple short today? Well, we liked that it couldn't hold its highs, right? And then it broke down through some key levels, gave us a couple nice retraces. Another, look at that 618 right there for another move down, another retrace here, and then back down again. So beautiful moves on Apple today. Tesla gave another down move too. Didn't really help that their battery day kind of pushed things down a little bit. The retrace from last night, right, was got pretty close to a 618 right there. That's kind of your gift horse get out type move right there. And then we had a nice push out here, nice retrace here for a good move down, and another retrace here for an inside 5 down on Tesla. So good moves there today. One of the other ones that we pointed out on the long side this morning that members did well on, some actually swung it overnight because it had such a great day, and it's still hanging up there. It really doesn't seem to care about the weakness in the market. Was Twitter this morning, gave us a nice retrace this morning for a move up here as well. And then Nike. So Nike was a pullback, right? So we were looking at a potential gap and go, but remember what we talked about, had to get over the pre-market highs and the after-hour highs, and all it did this morning was reject the pre-market lows, upper shadow, and that gave a nice move down on Nike here today. But it has, given some good moves for Under Armour, Dick's Sporting Goods, things like that. So we'll see if it holds up there and where we go from there on Nike. So we've got a couple requests out there today. I really appreciate you guys sending those in. So we got first one off the list is Nikola. So Nikola actually had a little bit of a pop earlier and then kind of came back down. Took the inside day down below the 200-day moving average here. So they tried to give a pop, but no real good news on that one. So let's see if this how this stock does. Again, drama stock. Be careful with this one. It might get delisted. Zoom. Huge day today, right? Big move on Zoom today, guys. We've been pointing this out on the live streams. We love this 382 pullback right here. It's been just riding that 80 MA up very nicely. Fresh all-time highs on Zoom today. Beautiful move there. MU. So great gap up this morning, but couldn't hold, so that pulled back here today as well. So a little bit of an inside 15 down here this morning. MU is a tricky one. WDC. This is another good one right here. So gave a strong move at the open, right? Great moves here, and then you can see on the daily chart, just a nice gap up, rejecting the daily cloud off of that one. And last one, JP Morgan. So JP Morgan. Inside day so far, again, pulled back again, had a rough day yesterday. It's just kind of slowly grinding its way down. Let's see if we can get under yesterday's lows and for a potential momentum move to the downside. But we'll see. They might be trying to bounce the market here now. So we'll see we go in the afternoon, guys. Like we said, we'd probably see some sharp action today because of all the Fed speakers, especially Powell. So we got that going on here today. Let's see if they try to buy the dip and where we go from there. So hope everybody has a great rest of your trading day. Stay healthy out there, and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you guys